Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to Bali. So this is going to be a little vlog with some little tunes in it, and yeah, just all the traveling stuff. My best friend April, she's going back to Queensland today, so she's going to be coming for the ride with us as well. Oh, there's a magpie. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are...
You always do that, you just get straight into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today...
Yeah, so today we are... I did it again. And our lovely best friend here is going to Queensland, and I'm going to Bali with my mummy, aren't we? Yes. We're heading to the airport. How are you feeling? It's a bit cold.
Yeah, it's a bit chilly.
So we're at the International Departures entrance, and we're about to go down the little red carpet thing. So let's go. Can we swap you? Can I take one of you and you do one? Yeah, sure. Why not? What are you doing?
It's NW20.
Bye, April. Mom. Wait. Hi guys, we just got to our hotel and it's like 3 in the morning Melbourne time and like 11 here, so we're gonna go to bed, maybe get some food. Goodbye. I just got some french fries because I was hungry.